Okay. Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing how the DRM Financial Solution can embrace digital transformation to improve efficiency, streamline operations, and provide greater value to our employees and clients. And now here's the agenda for today's presentation. First, we'll introduce the digital transformation and its significance. Then, we're going to explore the current challenges we face as a company. After that, we'll look at how digital transformation can help address these challenges. And finally, we'll outline the proposed changes, employee benefits, and next steps. And now, let's begin. Digital transformation is reshaping industries worldwide. For DRM Financial Solutions, it's crucial to embrace these changes to stay competitive. Adopting new technologies will allow us to improve processes, enhances our ability to serve clients, and keep up with the evolving business landscape. It's not just about the technology, it's about the reshaping how we work and interact with clients. Now, with the current challenges, currently we face several challenges that are hindering our progress. First is the manual and time-consuming processes. Much of our work, especially in accounting and administration, is still done manually. This leaves little room for focusing on high-volume strategic tasks. Limited collaboration with our existing systems, working efficiently across departments and collaborating with clients can be difficult. Data management issues, our ability to analyze the data and use it for decision making is limited, meaning we're not fully leveraging insights that could improve client services. And the next one, the benefits of digital transformation to the company. Digital transformation can help us address these challenges. First is the cloud accounting. The cloud-based tools will streamline workflows, provide easy access to data from anywhere, and improve collaboration across teams and clients. Second one is the automation. Automating repetitive tasks will save time, allowing employees to focus on more meaningful and strategic work. Data analytics. With advanced data analytics, we'll be able to generate actionable insights, empowering employees to make more informed decisions and provide better services to clients. And for the proposed changes or the solutions, to start our journey toward digital transformation, we will implement the following changes. First, we need to move to cloud-based accounting, software for improved collaboration and accessibility. Introduce automation for routine tasks such as invoice processing so that employees can focus on more value-driven work. Integrate data analytics tools to help us leverage data for better decision making and personal client services. And for the next one, employee benefits. These changes will directly benefit you or your employees. More time for strategic work. Automation will take care of repetitive tasks, freeing up your time or for more valuable time, creative and impactful work. Better tools for client management. Cloud-based tools and data analytics will empower you to build stronger client relationships with data-backed insights. Growth opportunities. With new tools and technologies, you'll have the chance to develop new skills, including expertise in automation, data analytics, and cloud computing, skills that will open up for future opportunities. And for the next steps will involve training and a phased rollout of these new tools. We will begin with cloud accounting software, providing training to ensure everyone is comfortable with system. Over the next few months, we will implement the automation and analytics tools to further streamline our processes and improve our efficiency. And for the conclusion, in conclusion, digital transformation is not just about adapting technology. It's about solving the challenges we face today, empowering employees, and positioning positioning DRM Financial Solutions for a future of growth and innovation. By embracing these changes, we are securing a brighter, more efficient, and future for all of us. And that would be all. I hope you'll be agreeing with our solutions. Thank you and have a good day.